Welcome to our channel. Setting up DirecTV Stream on your Samsung Smart TV provides access to live television and on-demand content. Step 1. Power on your Samsung Smart TV and confirm it's connected to the internet via Wi-Fi or Ethernet. Step 2. Press the home button on your Samsung remote to open the Smart Hub interface. Step 3. Navigate to the Apps section and select it to access the Samsung App Store. Step 4. Use the search function to find DirecTV Stream by typing the name with your remote. Step 5. Select the DirecTV Stream app from the search results and click the Install button. Step 6. Wait for the app to download and install on your Samsung TV, which typically takes 1 to 2 minutes. Step 7. Once installation completes, launch the DirecTV Stream app from your Apps menu. Step 8. On the welcome screen, select the option to sign in or activate. An activation code will appear. Step 9. Keep your TV displaying the activation code while you use another device for the next steps. Step 10. Using a smartphone, tablet, or computer, open a web browser and visit directv.com. Stream, activate. Step 11. Log into your DirecTV Stream account using your email address and password. Step 12. Enter the activation code shown on your Samsung TV into the provided field on the website. Step 13. Click the Activate or Submit button to link your TV to your account. Your Samsung TV will refresh automatically and display available channels. Start watching live TV and streaming on-demand content immediately. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.